Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back and today I have a boredom video for you guys. So with quarantine, it's been so boring and there's nothing to do. So I thought let's get crafty. Let's get crafty. Today I'm going to be putting pictures that I printed out on my t-shirts. Really cool, really awesome. I saw it on TikTok. This girl was just like ironing pictures on her shirts, and I was like, so I thought it would be a cool idea to try it out. I'm also going to put the link to the TikTok down below because credit goes to them for this idea, not me, obviously, because I'm not original. But like, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So let's get to it. Let's get started. All right. So here I have my prints. I have The Weeknd. I have Halsey's new album. Yes. I have Little Posty. Look at Little Posty. I have Posty, and then I have Black Bear and Halsey. The reason I chose to have Black Bear and Halsey in one is because I already have so many Black Bear t-shirts and hoodies, so I didn't want to just like put the attention all on Black Bear for this one. I wanted to have both of them in their glory and their cuteness. So yeah, so there. I also got a few t-shirts here. This one I already had in my closet, and I'm going to just revamp this one a bit. I want to cut it like that and put the picture on it. And then this one is a tank top that I got from Walmart. It was $3. This one was $3.88. It's a men's small, extra small actually. It's a men's extra small. And it was $3.88 at Walmart. And then I also got this one from Walmart, and this is more of a hoodie type thing. It was the most expensive one out of all of them, but it was still a really good price. I got this one for $13.99, which is really good. And this is also a men's extra small. So yeah. All right, so I got some plastic wrap here, and I also got some wax paper, and I got the plastic wrap for around $170 and the wax paper was around $130-ish, so good deal. I basically bought everything for around less than $30, which is amazing because you would be paying just $30 for one t-shirt or one hoodie that had a picture on it. So awesome. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the borders of these photos. This one already has a border, which I really like because it looks like a Polaroid. The Halsey and Black Bear one, I want to cut completely around the border of the picture because it has this little mark on it, if you can see that. And I don't want that on my t-shirt. So the Posty one, I want to keep some white borders on it like a Polaroid as well. And this one, obviously, since it has the mark on here, I don't care if this is my email, I put that everywhere, but I'm going to cut out the borders of that so it can look really nice and blended in with the black of the t-shirt. All right, so I got them all cut. Cute, 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 cute Posty. Yeah, so what I got from this is that I'm supposed to take the photo and wrap it in the plastic wrap and then take the parchment paper, put it over, and iron it for 5 minutes. I'm going to start with the hoodie. Sorry, my camera went a little weird. So I'm gonna put this picture on my hoodie, center it where I want it to be, right there. All right, so I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna put some plastic wrap on it now. So I have successfully saran wrapped my photo, And now you're supposed to saran wrap it backwards, like face down into the saran wrap. So I did that. Some of my edges are a little weird. It's okay, nobody's perfect. And then I'm going to have this photo. I'm trying to flatten it out a bit because I'm such a perfectionist. And I'm going to get some parchment paper and put it on top of there, and I'm gonna iron it for 5 minutes. Got my parchment paper, got my iron, and now we're just gonna iron this on the shirt. Hopefully this works. I need it to work. I need it to work. I need it to work. So I'm just gonna iron this for 5 minutes. Oh no, I am so scared. Okay, wait, I can, yeah, that works. Focus. No! Alright, so these are just like, yeah, there you go. I can scratch these off. Those are easy. No, wait a minute. I think I scratched the actual photo. Great. Okay, so it took a little bit, but what I did was I actually ironed around it more. No, without the parchment paper, I ironed it, and it came out so cute. Look at it. I am so excited with how it came out. It's so cute. So I'm gonna be doing this every single time I get paid, honestly, because this is so nice. Like, I can just make t-shirts. No more Hot Topic. Bye. Hot Topic is gone. It's done. I'm just kidding. I love Hot Topic. But yeah, I'm not going to post every single video of every single t-shirt. I'm just gonna do a little try on of each of them at the end of this video, so stay tuned. All right, this is the first t-shirt. Oh, I'm really loving this. Like, what? I have, I'm stupid. I did like the TikTok boy thing, like, okay. All right, this is looking super cute. And this is the second one. I made it like a tank top. I've cut it a bit because thought it would be cuter. It is really, it's so cute. All right, so this one has the Weekend After Hours on it. Super cute. All right, and I decided to leave this one like off the shoulder because it would look a lot better than it does. So there we go. Ooh, this has got to be my favorite one. Look, it's sturdy. Oh my god, I am like the weirdest. But I got this one very long so that I can wear some shorts with this and some cute Vans. And I think it would look really cute in the summertime if we're still not quarantined. But yeah, so that's how it turned out. Alright guys, so it's nighttime now. My hair looks crazy. And I'm done with this video, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Follow my Instagram down below at Rosariobeauty. Follow me on Younow at Rosariobeauty. And also go like my last video because I worked really hard on that one. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.